Hello, still on vacation. We're getting some stuff ready for another thing, and as a matter of course, we had to go to town with my brothers-in-law to get some food coloring. And while we were there, we thought we'd swing by the back of the grocery store again, and we got more free stuff. Not watermelons. We got more free dog meat. So, we got chicken gizzards and hearts again, still $1.50. Chicken gizzards and hearts. Chicken gizzards and hearts. It was a lot of bird products, poultry this time. Chicken gizzards and hearts. Ground round 85.15. Ground round 85.15. These are 1 pound packages. Doesn't have a price on it. Another ground round 85.15, and yet another 85.15 ground round. And one more thing of the simple truth. Natural ground turkey, marked down to $3.49, and we had one more of these, but I already fed it to our dogs because we got that dog that's sick. I'm giving her medicine. So here it is, Operation Dog Meat Part 2, another success. Not quite as much, but if you consider how much this is for 2 dogs, this would definitely feed them for a couple of days and free for nothing. Shalom, y'all. Here it is, a pack of the gizzards and hearts. Meeting its final destination. All right. Ginger. Huh. Are you? Oh, missed. Find it with your nose. Good girl. Come on, find it with your nose. Here you go, Layla. Good girl. All right, Arya. Here's another one. Hey. Ginger.